welcome back to my channel. So today I want to take you along some spring cleaning. It is long overdue and my whole family was sick last week and I just need a really good like declutter, reset, cleanse. So today I think I'm going to try and get to like the kitchen cabinets and the bathroom cabinets. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a little bit different than my usual, but I thought why not change it up a little bit. So let's go ahead and start cleaning. First, I'm gonna start off with a cup of coffee. I already finished the one that I just made, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with coffee number 2. I also decided to make breakfast because it's probably gonna take me a long time to do this. Now it's time for the most used bathroom. As you can see, this is where my kids brush their teeth. So I just need to this is like all my skincare and perfumes. I don't know where my husband puts the deodorant on here, but this is just for aesthetic things. Then these. This. And then this is like clippers. I don't know why they're so dirty. And this has it's just too full. And then I don't even know why half the things that are in here are in here. There's shoe cleaner, there's tools and screws. It's just a mess. We're gonna get this all taken care of.
Are you kidding? That looks yum.